Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Mailchimp to your Google account step by step so you can link the two platforms and get everything set up properly. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along with confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, you'll want to look for the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of its connection options for other tools and services. Next, click on Integrations. After that, you'll see a search or discover section where you can look for the service you want to connect. In the search field, type Google and then press enter. This will filter the available options and bring up the Google-related connection choices. From the results, click on Google Analytics. Even though you may be thinking of a Google account connection in general, this is the option Mailchimp provides in this flow to begin the connection process. Once you open it, you'll see the Connect option. Now, click Connect. Mailchimp will then prompt you to sign in with your Google account. This is the part where you approve the link between Mailchimp and Google. A Google login window will appear, so enter the email address for the Google account you want to use, then type your password and continue through the sign-in steps. If Google asks for permission, review the access request carefully and confirm it if everything looks correct. This allows Mailchimp to complete the connection and use the Google service you selected. Once the sign-in is finished, Mailchimp should confirm that the account has been connected successfully. At this point, your Mailchimp and Google account connection is set up. You can now move forward with the features tied to that integration, depending on what you're using it for. If you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that you've allowed the requested permissions during the setup. And that's it. You've now connected Mailchimp to your Google account. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.